with 10 million visitors per year. The Roosevelt is Amsterdam's largest park. It was only exclusively used by the wealthy to walk or ride horses. It's now a free public park for all. The Dutch airline Airlines 1970 staffed their fleet to KLM, visit Amsterdam and sleep in the public park, attracting a lot of American newbies and helped change the park's image.
Just a short walk to the Mono Park is Max Ugerplein, a square out in the Dutch World Championship Square, Max Uger. We are now approaching Brouwersgracht, or the Brewers Canal. This canal was part of the city's 17th century expansion. It connects the three main canals, the Herengracht, the Keizersgracht, and the Prinsengracht, and used to form the northwest corner of the city. See if you can spot them all. The oldest type is the Spoutgate. This basic triangular shape is seen only on warehouses. The 17th century step gable looks just as you'd expect, a series of steps. The neck gable, with its straight up and down sides and scrollwork decorations, came
Towers, and is called eclectic architecture.
Yes, we will pass the Central Railway Station here on the left hand side, same architect, same projects as the Rijksmuseum. Central Railway Station, same architect, same projects as the Rijksmuseum, except this one has two clocks, the clock on the left.
Gas, water, and municipal sewage. And owners have to pay taxes, just like anyone else.
Look at a striker, look at a striker.